This right here is a fake $3,500 Dodge Ram, and this is a fake $4,000 Land Rover Defender. We have the pride of America and the pride of the UK, made in China.
Today we're going to take them off-road and see how they handle bumpy roads, steep inclines, and we're going to test them to their top speed.
So make sure you watch until the end. Let the games begin.
Let's do this.
Before we get started, today's episode is brought to you by SPXcars.com, our very own premium car auction platform where you can buy and sell some of the coolest cars on the planet. Link is in the description box below. Right, so let's see what actually makes them different. We'll do this quickly because if you want to see the full reviews, you can watch our YouTube videos. We'll leave links in the description below. But first of all, this is a Land Rover. It's supposed to be more of like a luxurious off-roader, and that's like a work truck, right? It's a longer vehicle, it's a higher vehicle, but it has less clearance because it has two motors, one in the front and one in the back, which will help, you know, get more power, but it actually makes it lower to the ground.
This is about 800 kilos compared to about 500, I think.
Okay.
And then 3,500 watts compared to 2,000. And I don't know how this is messing with my head, but these are 15-inch compared to 14-inch rims.
And it's just because of the size. When you open the doors up, very luxurious wooden trim. You have your infotainment here stacked vertically. These are your gear selectors. You have a handbrake here. Steering wheel's very basic. The seat is, I mean, it kind of moves a little bit. You know, it'll do all right for off-roading, but the rest is very simple. Don't forget, this is a $4,000 vehicle. So let's go check out Nathan's truck.
Okay, in the Dodge here, so a bit more of a carbon fiber feel here. Infotainment is stacked the other way horizontally, pretty similar with your gauge here. Steering wheel is identical. Pedals are still impossibly far to the right. Pretty comfy. Let's see how it handles off-road. We're heading to X-Quarry Adventure Park, the UAE's ultimate off-road testing grounds. This place is brutal, with hardcore trails, hill climbs, and punishing terrain. It's designed to challenge even the toughest 4x4s. This is the perfect battleground to see if these mini Chinese machines can handle real off-roading, or if they'll fall apart trying. Our first test is the small axle twister, a simple but effective test for any off-road vehicle.
Now the real version of these cars can probably handle this bumpy road no problem. So we're gonna try them out in the fake versions, see what happens.
First up, the Defender.
Let's do it.
What do you think?
Jump in.
All right, okay.
You ready?
Okay, oops.
Easy? No seatbelt for you.
How come you get a seatbelt and I don't get a seatbelt?
That's just part of the game.
3, 2, 1.
This feels really sketchy that I don't have a
No
seatbelt.
seatbelt.
Oh, God.
Don't stick your car out the window. Don't stick your hand out the window. Ooh. Oh, easy. Oh, wow,
Easy.
okay. That was actually surprisingly not bad.
I don't think we need more speed. No, easy. Oh, God. Oh.
And now look, in reverse. That's right, no one's done it in reverse.
Neither of you.
Oh, okay. I think we need to like lean forward and backwards. Forward and backwards. It's not happening, huh? Oh yeah, keep going. Okay. Oh, it's working. Oh!
Oh, you hit the sign. Watch the rock.
This fell out, but I don't think it's important. I think it's fine. We can just glue this. Oh yeah, look, it just pops right back in.
Well,
I think that's a pass.
shockingly, the Defender makes it through in one piece. No broken axles, no snap parts. Yet. Let's see how the Ram does.
Well, oh my God.
Well, at least you have seatbelts in here.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Ram time!
Oh, that didn't sound good. Oh, that didn't sound good.
Oh, that's pretty smooth, you know? Like, it's actually, it wasn't like going side to side. That was actually okay. Do it again, do it again.
One more time.
Yeah.
I think maybe for this one, you should be in launch mode.
Oh, no.
How was that? Still comfortable?
Actually, look, this is actually a pretty good, it's got pretty good suspension.
Well, it got through there. What do you think? Smoother ride in there or in
that was
the
very
Defender?
Smooth. That was very smooth.
That's a pass for the Ram, delivering a smoother drive and with no parts coming loose. Its suspension actually seemed to hold up a lot better than we expected, taking the first point. That brings the score to 1-0 for now. Now, onto the drums challenge. These simulate extreme uneven terrain. Basically the kind of surface that a real Ram or Defender would tackle like a breeze. A well-designed suspension should absorb shock smoothly, keeping both the driver and cargo safe. But can these tiny knockoffs come anywhere near the real deal? Well, it passed those bumps pretty easy, so I think we've got to step it up. Try the drums.
I don't think that this stands a chance, to be honest.
Yeah, well, let's see. Slow or fast?
Slow?
It says slow. Yeah, go slow.
All right,
Okay,
well, let's see what happens.
Oh!
Woo! Yeah, we did it! Wow!
I'm shocked.
That's right.
You just seem to bounce through there.
This is a Land Rover Defender.
Despite a rough and bouncy ride, the Chinese Defender pushed through, securing a pass. Will the Ram do any better?
Oh my God.
That can't be good.
Wow, I've never seen a car bunny hop. I think you were like in the air, completely in the air for a bit.
Jesus Christ.
Holy crap.
If the Defender was bouncy, the Ram felt like it was driving through a trampoline park. It was literally catching air. It did make it through in one piece though, and that counts as a pass. But only one car can win a point here. Okay, so we have to decide a winner. I mean, they both got through.
Yeah.
But for me, I think yours, I was bunny hopping.
Mine was smoother. I mean, you were like popping around, but it was close, but I still kind of think,
I think we might have to lean towards the Defender.
All right, you know,
Yeah.
I'll take
this
the point.
That was not pleasant.
I'll take it, I'll take the point.
Our next test is all about speed. It's time for the ultimate Chinese knockoff drag race. Off-roaders aren't built for speed, but acceleration still matters, whether it's merging onto highways, escaping deep mud, or just flexing at traffic lights. So let's see how these mini machines handle a good old-fashioned drag race. With 2 electric motors instead of 1, the fake Ram technically has twice the power. But power is only one piece of the puzzle. Traction and weight distribution play an important role too. Let's see if it makes any difference. I suspect this thing is quicker, but I don't think it's smoother.
So now we have to race on a flat surface because Nathan's car can't handle the bumps.
I live my life one race at a time.
Family or something, right? Wow.
Three, 2, 1, go!
Oh, come on. Got 2 motors. Bull. I want to see it off-road.
Wasn't even close. It's like shelling peas.
Boo!
He's upset.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Jesus. Woo! Yeah!
I don't get paid enough to work with this idiot.
How does it feel like to lose by that much?
I was going to run you off the road.
Yeah.
Even with Sergi cheating, the Defender had no chance against the Ram's double motor. Turns out, if you want to win a drag race in a fake Chinese car, 2 motors are indeed better than 1. So that's another point for the Ram, which is now ahead by 1 point. We've got one last test. Feeling confident?
No, not at all. It's the steepest hill I've ever seen in my entire life.
Well, I'm looking forward to it. Let's do it. For our final challenge, we're taking on the ultimate test, a 45-degree angle hill climb, which is definitely not meant to be done with a $4,000 car. This is where real off-road vehicles prove their worth. Traction control, low-range gears, and 4-wheel drive are key. These cars have none of that, so we can only guess what will happen.
Man, I'm pressing on that brake as hard as I can. I mean, if I let go, I'm flying back, but It's not going very far, huh? And I got a running start too. I'm gonna try to accelerate, okay? I'm gonna let go of the brake and accelerate. Woo! Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on!
That actually got up there further than I thought.
Oh, okay. Whoa.
Okay, I'm gonna mark it as,
That's pretty high up.
yeah, I think you got to about, let's say here.
Really?
Is that fair? I think so.
That's not bad. I mean, it's got like what, like 1 horsepower?
I think a horse would get further up there though.
And that's sadly a fail for the Defender. It couldn't even make it halfway up the ramp. It was a solid attempt, but horsepower alone isn't enough when gravity steps in. Now let's see if the Ram does any better.
Before he even tries this, like with a running start, we need to see if he even has any clearance because that's so low, like I'm scared of it actually scraping the bottom. Can you like crawl up a little bit?
Yeah.
Go. Yeah, you're fine. Yeah, you'll be fine, you'll be fine.
Ready?
Ready? Go!
Okay.
Over. Oh! Go! Go! Oh man, what is that? You have like right wheel, front wheel drive. The left wheel isn't doing anything.
Is that a win?
There's definitely a win, but
I thought it was gonna keep going.
slam the brakes and roll.
My foot is through the floor.
Good, good, good. Now lightly let go. Dude, you have no idea how high up you are. That's insane. Dude, man, he can make it up that. All right, here it is.
Okay.
Now, the reason why we're even using a helmet, we had like a long discussion, and
I backed out of that last attempt. I just didn't want to go any higher.
it looks like he can make it, but it's also really sketchy. That's a 40-degree angle, and this is a $4,000 fake Chinese Dodge Ram, right? And honestly, like, I think he can make it up, but if he didn't, this doesn't have any kind of like roll cage. This is just like, I mean, I don't even know what it is, but
It's pretty sketchy.
it is pretty sketchy.
This is the first time this vehicle's probably ever done anything like this.
Okay. He's gonna make it! No way! No way!
Please tell me we got that shot. I'm not doing that again.
I can't even believe it, man. It looked easy too. I mean, he just went right over it.
It didn't feel easy, I'll tell you that.
Do it again. Like, I think on camera, I mean, you guys might not realize how steep it is, but you need to understand this is like an off-road challenge for like other off-road vehicles. You know, we're talking about like real SUVs, 4x4s. There he goes.
Oh.
Good job, man. That was impressive.
What a plot twist. Against all odds, the Ram powers through. Whether it's skill, luck, or sheer defiance of physics, it makes it to the top, winning yet another point.
Okay. Ram wins the hill climb, so I think that means we have an overall winner. Ram wins it.
Yeah. I have to say though that this ride seemed a lot more comfortable. So, you know, you have all the off-roading capabilities, hill climbs, whatever you want, but I was cruising in this. I was comfy.
Fast and brutal.
Yeah.
Slow and comfortable.
So this one lost, but it still has a very special place in my heart. But anyways, huge thanks to SPX Cars for making this video possible. Let us know you guys want us to compare any other fake Chinese cars and we might do it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.